Dad, I just need an itch.
What's up, dog?
Just rocking out with my nose. Just rocking out with my nails.
With my penis out.
Yeah, I like rocking out with my juice with my penis out.
Yeah, that's awesome. What's up, dog?
I'm awesome right now. What's up with you? Just videotaping you with your balls sticking out.
Okay.
In your hole.
What's up?
And
What's up, Taz?
plus, it's a dog's private. It's sticking out.
This is going on YouTube.
I know. Oh my god, it's so funny. My eyes. What's you trying to videotape?